When we think about operating systems, our minds often jump to familiar names like Windows, macOS, or Android. These are the titans of the tech world, the operating systems that power our laptops, desktops, and smartphones. But the world of operating systems is far more expansive and diverse than these household names might suggest. Beyond the glossy interfaces and familiar icons lies a fascinating realm of specialized operating systems, each meticulously designed to excel in specific environments and tasks. From managing massive data centers to controlling tiny embedded devices, these unsung heroes of the tech world play a crucial role in shaping our digital experiences. In this exploration, we'll journey beyond the familiar landscapes of Windows and macOS to uncover the hidden gems of the operating system world. We'll delve into the unique characteristics and applications of various OS types, gaining a deeper appreciation for the intricate workings of our digital world. So, buckle up as we embark on this enlightening adventure through the fascinating and often overlooked world of operating systems. To truly grasp the breadth of the operating system landscape, it's essential to understand the different categories they fall into. Each category represents a distinct approach to managing computer resources and catering to specific user needs. One fundamental distinction lies in how an operating system handles multiple tasks. Batch operating systems, true to their name, process jobs in batches, executing one after another without user intervention. This approach, while seemingly archaic, remains relevant in specific scenarios like large-scale data processing. Time-sharing operating systems, on the other hand, revolutionized computing by allowing multiple users to share a single system's resources by rapidly switching between tasks. These systems create the illusion of simultaneous execution, paving the way for interactive computing experiences. Moving beyond individual systems, we encounter distributed operating systems, which manage a network of interconnected computers as a unified system. This interconnectedness allows for resource sharing, increased fault tolerance, and scalability, making them ideal for applications like cloud computing. These are just a few glimpses into the diverse world of operating system categories. As we delve deeper, we'll encounter even more specialized systems, each tailored to address specific challenges and unlock new possibilities in the ever-evolving digital landscape.